all possible configurations of the Scaled Agile framework, as in these 4 configurations. And if we go into the full safe configuration, we see that we have all levels in applied safe reflected as well. So what we can do here, we can navigate here to the phases and milestones, we can navigate to the roles and to the practices. And when we go back to the demo of full safe, we can see here that we are on the enterprise level. Enterprise level itself, it helps all the processes which are necessary on the enterprise level to have the process under control. For example, we talk here about process assessment, improvement management, deployment, process training, the whole governance of establishment and execution, and the organizational learning processes. If you look at the other levels of applied safe, we can go into portfolio, and here we have just the portfolio management. So you see it's reduced to just a few roles which are in portfolio. The work products are defined to that lower level as well. And of course we see here the implementation roadmap where we can go to as well. And if we are wondering how we do the identify value streams and arts on the portfolio level, we just click on in and we get specific practices and help in which activities we are fulfilling that, which we are really doing portfolio. Another aspect of another level is if we go on the large solution level. The large solution level helps us to build complex solutions with various agile release trains, and here we're talking also about one specific process which we will talk later about is the supplier process. Supplier process we have implemented that way that you can run it either as an agile release train in the agile manner as it is described in the Scaled Agile framework, or that we have more like a traditional way where we have identified the supplier, we monitor supplier process and so forth. So both possibilities are configurable and suitable for each process. Of course, supplier processes are not only existing in large solution, they are also existing portfolio, program and on team level, because all of these levels can work together with suppliers. If you go back to the full safe configuration, we can talk about the program level itself is very much talking about DevOps, the continuous delivery pipeline, the PI planning, and the Kanban board. So if you go, for example, in the agile continuous delivery pipeline, we see exactly what it is as a practice, but also in which activities this is really taking part of, and we can navigate with that. If we go back to the enterprise level, we see here the teams, and we have made it up that way that we can have different configurations on the team level. For example, here we can work either with Kanban or with Scrum, and if we have Kanban, we can select itself, the Scrum Master can select himself if they want to work with expedite path or not. This is all possible for each team, and this is how they are working together.